Kansas welcomes you. Now, we're leaving Kansas and we're going bullet holes. Somebody was shooting through the. Why are people shooting through the leaving Kansas sign? So the bullet holes are going through the back of the sign. So I don't know. Somebody's just shooting through the back for some reason. Now we're going back to Colorado. We have a little chimney barbecue thing here. We have wooden toilets. This one is Blue Star Highway. We have trash cans here, but no bathroom. There's the Cybertruck. Colorado side is giant. Kansas has a tiny metal sign. So windy, our sign is shaking, rattling. Shops, CDOT. Alright, so here's the plan for our route. We're going to charge up. We're going to stop here for Love's to get the magnet for Kansas. We're going to continue through, charge again, depending on how much we might need another charge stop there. Go to Kansas, not Kansas City, but Kansas State Capitol. And then we're going to drive down through to Oklahoma State Capitol. And then we'll continue on down to Texas. So let's go. Alright, so I found a better welcome to Kansas sign. Here we go. Welcome to Kansas. Here we are. Welcome to Kansas. Northeast barn. Long stretch of road. Just very long. Long straight one all the way to the Capitol. Okay, road closed. So we gotta go around. We're going off-roading again. Uh-oh. Now we really will get stranded. What's happening here? We're at 27% and we got 61 miles to go. They closed off the main road, so now we're going, I don't know where we're going now. Let's see. According to this, we'll still make it with 5%, so that's fine. This road is way more rough. Whoa. Okay, need to go slower now. On this dirt road, following the farms. Wonder what they're growing out here. It looks all dead. You can see the big dust trail we're creating behind us now. Let's see if I do this way. There you go. You can see all the dust trails being left behind us. These were the plants I was seeing earlier. What are they growing here? Is that corn or what are those ones with the brown things on top?
Wheat.
Sweet. Huh. It's telling us to turn right, so hopefully that's back onto the paved road.
Turn left onto road.
Or sorry, turn left.
15.
So they closed this road too. What are they doing to this one? But they only closed it halfway, so people can still go through. Alright, crossing the railroad. Alright, turning right. And as you can see, they closed that side, and this side is paved, so we're good. Right, still says we'll arrive with 3%. There's a train going. There's the train following us. It's going too slow though. Another historical place. See a train there and the silos. First Wallace something, I don't know what it is. Oh, that's the museum. I passed it, sorry. There's a whole lot of nothing here in Kansas. It's just nothing for miles and miles. Tumbleweeds and nothing. Cloud kind of looks like a dog. Some cows over there and some silos. Other than that, nothing. Bunch more of nothing coming. This state has a lot of little birds that like to sit in the street. I'll see if I can capture some like in the video, but they tend to just all fly away quickly, so unless I'm just recording non-stop, I don't know if I'll be able to catch it. Lots more farmland. Looks like corn. This cornfield is like very uneven. Some is tall, some is short. Usually they're all very even, but this place they're all like very uneven. See this one too? Interesting. We're in Winona now. They had a park like right at the entrance, but other than that, it's just this giant, looks like a grain silo kind of thing, and then a bunch more farmland all around. There's another little rock that said Winona welcomes you, so I guess this is now Winona. Maybe the part was pre-Winona, I don't know. But now there's nothing here, so I don't know what's going on. Each city is just a plot of land with a bunch of farms on it. There's no... Where's the actual city? Right now we're in another city called Monument. This one has a little house, a few small houses. And then another grain thingy. More houses there. At least I think that's for grains, I don't know. And yeah, they have a lot of those. And then the trains. I'm wondering, it's 91 degrees Fahrenheit here, 4:19 p.m. in Kansas. There's more of the trains. There's no space between the two train carts. What is happening? Now we're in Oakley, Kansas. I wonder, is this where they make those sunglasses? What's that sign? Fire danger? No. It's more of those silos. And it's like a park maybe? Golf? Oh, golf. Interesting. And a bunch more silos over there. There's Oakley. And we keep missing all the welcomes you signs for the cities. There you go. This looks more like a city. More stuff is here. Let's see, we're at 3%. We're gonna arrive with 2. Just making it. Looks like we're at a travel center, Sonic.
Now you have
Oh, there,
arrived
Sonic
at your
has a little
destination.
playground. I don't know if it's for Sonic or it's for this specific charging location. There's only one other person charging here. And yeah, this is it a 250 kilowatt? It looks like it. Okay, let's plug in and then use the restroom. Alright, let's plug in. Definitely looks like a 250 kilowatt. Alright, let's charge it up. I have to use the restroom now. Oh look, they're transporting the windmill blades. Also, I smell it now. My dad said it smelled like cow poop. I smell it now. Yeah, it does. We're going to this Mittens truck stop. So, the Cybertruck's all over there. We'll see it later. Looks like they're filling up the gas at the gas station. Time to go back to the Cybertruck. There it is. Far away. We were leaving Colorado. There was a bald eagle, but I didn't get a chance to record it with my camera, so I got it on the Tesla camera. Here you can see it flying. Alright, so it looks like we'll get there now with 24%. Charged up to 85%. I'm not going to charge all the way because we just need to go to the Love's Travel stop and then that next charging stop. Okay, should be good. And here you go. I had to add that other charging stop because the other one would have been a little bit too far unless we drove super slow. So yeah, alright, let's go ahead and continue. Oh, let's unplug the thing. Hopefully my bottles won't roll away for a second time. I had to chase them all the way down to that grass area. That's where they stopped getting blown away. Anyways, let's go. Look at the size of those turbine propeller blades versus that car.
Right to take the
Looks like we're getting some rain. Getting some little droplets. I don't know if you can even see it in the camera, but getting some little droplets. Hopefully it will start storming soon so the car can get cleaned. Okay, so that's how Kansas does their street signs with that yellow flower looking thing. More dead looking crops here. What happened? I need the rain. Come back. Not really much in Kansas, more just farmland and corns. More farmland stuff over there. And more over there. I don't know what that big blue and white building is. Bunch of cows close up. Winter welcomes you at Castle Rock. Finally got one of the cities. What is that giant blue and white dome? Is that for aircraft or what? What is that? Winter exit 107 Castle Rock. Let's see, here it is. What is that? Frontier AG agriculture or something? Something for agriculture, I guess. Coldstone. Welcome to Ellis sign. Alright, we got Kansas. Total $6.53, so yep, there's the tax. Alright, so there's the new addition. So this Love's gas station has this super long pole. I can reach all the way to the top without even standing on anything. Nice. Alright, here we go. The windshield's a lot cleaner now. Well, it'll probably rain soon and then it'll be even cleaner, but hopefully we'll get our dinner cooked and everything before that. What is that? Is that the moon? It's so big. It can't be. Is that the moon? What? No way. How is it so big? It's like a James and the Giant Peach moon. How's the moon so big like that? Whoa. Look at that. Too bad it's so blurry. Oh, it won't do it clear through the glass. There you go. I had to stop to get a video of the moon. Let me turn off the signal. Get a better view. Look at that. That's crazy. I'm going to take an actual photo and see if it comes out really nice. The moon has a little hat on it now, and you get a better picture. Again with the incompetent charging installers. This needs to go as close to the line as possible. So when you back in, the cable goes as short a distance possible. Look. I mean, I can hang over the edge, but yeah, and I'm really close to this line, so it makes it difficult to park. Anyways, you can see I don't know if Tesla's partnered with Sonic or something, but this is probably the third one I've seen next to a Sonic, or either at one or close to one. So you can see the truck bed let in a lot of dust. Jeez. So a lot of dust got in the truck bed. Here's the flashlight, so this can go in. And it has this light, it has this light, okay, and off. Cool. Alright, we're cooking again. We're not doing another cooking video, but I am cooking again, alright? So, yeah. Here's some of the rice cooker seared steaks. We've got some raw ones with more of the stuff that needs longer cooking, and some that's already done. Alright, we got the raw rice with that old water in there that I used to get the stuff off the bottom for the steaks. Alright, so there we go. You can see we have the water. If you're wondering how I know how much water, I don't. I just pour an approximate amount and hope it's right. Okay, now we're going to put the meat and this meat, and then we'll put these towards the end. Alright, all the steak has been cut. The other stuff is getting almost there, so we're going to let it keep going. Alright, so I'm going to cook the broccoli, or the mushrooms first, and then I'll throw the broccolis in once the keep warm thing pops up. Alright, there's the mushrooms. We'll put that, close it up, make sure it's still cooking, and then we'll wait till it goes to keep warm. You can see the steam coming out. It smells good. Alright, we'll let it keep going. Right, it's not at keep warm yet, but I think it should be good enough to throw it in. So let's open this. Oh, actually, it already went to keep warm now on its own. So throw that in. I'll push it down. Okay, you You can see, I'll push it down and see if it changes at all, but it should be done in about 15 minutes. All right, popped itself back up to keep warm. I moved the steak to the mushroom container so we can wrap it up with this. We'll wait a few more minutes till the broccoli's all steamed and we should be good. The rice also needs a little more time after it pops up. All right, should be about done. Looks good. All right, let's go eat. And the truck's at 99, so let's unplug this. Okay, I raised the suspension up so we can use this more as a table. I should have done that when I was cooking because I was hunched over, but yeah, let's eat. And here's my fancy bowl of rice with broccoli, mushrooms, and steak. Oh, cute little kitten, but I'm gonna get copyright, so bye. Oh, there's a lot of kittens here. There's a white one. There's a white one over here too. Alright, we left that Sonic place and we're heading towards Topeka, Kansas. We'll probably stop at the first rest stop to rest or use restroom. We'll see if there is one. Okay, I was always confused why I wasn't seeing rest areas, and then there's all these places called parking areas. So apparently some states call them parking areas instead of rest areas, and they have bathrooms and everything here. I thought it was just for truckers to like park. That's why I was like, do we go there? So yeah, there's restrooms at the parking areas. So stop at a parking area if you need to use the restroom or sleep. Okay, the only thing with this is there's no water, nothing to wash your, well, there's that, and yeah, but there's no like water. All right, anyways, look at this bug. It's like, I think it's a moth with its wings all wrapped up. Interesting. Right, so it's too dark to really see. There's all these gazebos. I don't know what that thing is. It looks like a garage, at least from here, but yeah. Whoa, you can see windmills in the dark. All those little red flashing lights. Look at all the red flashing lights. There's a lot of them. That's a lot of windmills. Oh my goodness. Flag flying over there. Some construction, so they closed off one lane. These roads make weird noise, like tuk 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 tuk. Makes you think, are my tires flat or something? Oh, it stopped. Alright, again, they installed the charger wrong. So you gotta get pretty close, otherwise you won't be able to reach. Anyways, we're gonna charge now, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, all done charging. Now to find some place to sleep, or just sleep here, I guess. See, it's 1:27 a.m., 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and yeah, right? Okay.